Perfect. So let's talk a little bit about the drone itself. We're going to dive deeper into the payloads, but what, for those that aren't aware, what makes the Mavic 3 component of this special? What really are the features that make life easier than its predecessors or other technologies that are available?
Sure. So this slide, it's going to be hard not to compare to the previous version with the Phantom 4 Multispectral, but it's something that's very compact and portable. I mean, I've got the case right here, and you can throw this in the back of anywhere, and this is fitting 5 batteries, drone, smart controller. We'll get to what's in the box, but it's a very compact design. It's something that's flying 42-minute flight time. We're promoting somewhere around 30 with the Phantom, so we're getting greatly improved flight times. We're also improving the 4/3 inch sensor. So it's the same sensor that's on the Mavic 3 Enterprise, but then you're also getting the spectral side of it as well. So you have 4 other 5 megapixel that are going to be capturing red, green, near infrared, and red edge. And then there's a couple other differences you're going to get on this drone comparative to the other Mavic 3 Enterprise series. One of them being that it's a sunlight sensor instead of a beacon. And then it's using, just like the Mavic 3 Enterprise, the RTK module on board for geotagging imagery, as well as that O3 transmission, so you can fly that drone, to the other side of the field and not have to worry about it.
Something that we might talk about later, but the RTK module is a separate accessory, right? You basically have that port for adding RTK, but it doesn't come standard, correct?
Correct. So it's just going to be an add-on, but for multispectral work, and we will get in why, this has got to be about the easiest box to check when you are looking to purchase, because this $700 is going to go a long ways. We'll get to why.
Perfect.